I finally got around to packing. Oh my gosh. Hey everybody, this is Matt from workanywhere.life, and I finally got around to doing some packing and cleaning out the closet and the dressers. So, welcome to my boudoir here. So, this is what I'm going down on Sunday to the Dominican with. I've got this bag over here is full of clothing, mostly clothing and shoes. Um, and that's all of the, let's say, all the stuff that I know that I'm not going to need over the next couple of months. So seasonal items and so forth. This one over here, this has other junk. It has some of my supplements. It has some necessities. Again, things that I'm not going to need for a few months, but I'm going to need them when I start living down in the Dominican. And then this, of course, is what I'm going to use for the week that I'm gone, clothing and essentials. So then over here, this is really what's left of my entire wardrobe. I shouldn't say that. I do have some in the closet. And then I have my travel station over here. This is what's going to go down with me on the final trip. But God only knows why. But I came up with this crazy idea that I'm going to take the month of July and do a road trip. There are places in the US that I haven't seen. There I have relatives up and down the East Coast. So that put a little, let's say, a wrinkle in my plan here. It was going to be just things that I bring down there for the new house, and then things that I'm going to need when I between now and then when I move. But now I need to think about what am I going to do in the month of July. I have a business meeting that I need to attend, so I'm going to need some business attire for that when I go to Miami the end of July. I have, oh gosh, I thought maybe I could book a last minute cruise. Honestly, I'm really excited about that. I need to start looking into it. I might book a last minute cruise somewhere in July. And then of course road trip essentials for, visiting all the different climates from here to Florida. My goodness. So that's going to be a bit nuts. And then all right, I might do a little scuba diving next week. So I need to bring some of my scuba stuff, um, my dry bag, my phone protector, just essentials for scuba diving. Oh, it's going to be a little bit crazy trying to figure all this out, and that's why I procrastinated over doing the packing thing because it's very difficult to think about what do I need for next week, what do I not need for the next couple of months, what am I going to need when I'm down there, what am I going to need while I'm still up here, what am I going to need for a potential cruise, and then how many suitcases am I going down with, and how many are actually coming back with me. So like this red one that stays, the black one that stays down there, the yellow one comes back home with me, and or not, I'm not quite sure yet. And then I need this other suitcase over here, and that one over here goes down with me for my month-long trip, and then the final destination in the Dominican. So there you have it, folks. A little bit crazy here, but somehow it's going to happen. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, tell your friends about it, and I'll see you on the next one.